Welcome to AI Science Guruji. Question 1. What is the taste of acids? Answer 1. Acids have a sour taste. Question 2. What is the color change of litmus paper in a basic solution? Answer 2. In a basic solution, litmus paper changes from red to blue. Question 3. Name a natural indicator other than litmus. Answer 3. Turmeric, red cabbage, or colored puddles are natural indicators. Question 4. Define olfactory indicators. Answer 4. These are substances whose odor changes when placed in acidic or basic media. Question 5. Which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with a metal? Answer 5. Hydrogen gas, H2, is typically liberated. Question 6. How do you test for the presence of hydrogen gas? Answer 6. When a burning candle is brought near the gas, it burns with a pop sound. Question 7. What is the product of the reaction between zinc and sodium hydroxide? Answer 7. The reaction produces sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Question 8. Which gas is evolved when an acid reacts with metal carbonates? Answer 8. Carbon dioxide, CO2, is evolved. Question 9. Name the substance formed when carbon dioxide is passed through lime water. Answer 9. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3, is formed. Question 10. What happens to lime water when excess carbon dioxide is passed through it? Answer 10. The white precipitate dissolves to form soluble calcium hydrogen carbonate. Question 11. Give the general equation for a neutralization reaction. Answer 11. The general equation is base plus acid equals salt plus water. Question 12. What is the nature of metallic oxides? Answer 12. Metallic oxides are basic in nature. Question 13. What is the nature of non-metallic oxides? Answer 13. Non-metallic oxides have an acidic nature. Question 14. Which ion is common to all acid solutions in water? Answer 14. H plus AQ or hydronium ions are common to all acid solutions in water. Question 15. What is the common ion produced by bases in water? Answer 15. Bases produce hydroxide ions, OH- in water. Question 16. Define alkalis. Answer 16. Alkalis are bases that are soluble in water. Question 17. Why do aqueous solutions of acids conduct electricity? Answer 17. They conduct electricity because they produce ions that carry the electric current. Question 18. Can acids show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Answer no, because the separation of H plus ions occurs only in the presence of water. Question 19. What is the name of the ion represented as H3O plus? Answer 19. It is known as the hydronium ion. Question 20. Why must acid be added to water and not vice versa during dilution? Answer 20. This is done to prevent the mixture from splashing out due to excessive local heating. If you like this session, please hit like button. Question 21. Is the process of dissolving an acid in water exothermic or endothermic? The process is highly exothermic. Question 22. Define pH. pH is a scale used for measuring hydrogen ion concentration. Question 23. What is the range of the pH scale? The range is from 0 to 14. Question 24. What is the pH of a neutral solution? A neutral solution has a pH of 7. Question 25. A solution has a pH of 2. Is it acidic or basic? The solution is acidic. Question 26. What is the pH of acid rain? Acid rain has a pH less than 5.6. Question 27. Within what pH range does the human body function? The body functions within a pH range of 7.0 to 7.8. Question 28. Which acid is produced in our stomach to help digestion? Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is produced in the stomach. Question 30. What is the common name for magnesium hydroxide used as an antacid? Its common name is milk of magnesia. Question 30. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than what value? Decay begins when the pH is lower than 5.5. Question 31. Name the acid present in a bee sting. Answer 31. A bee sting contains methanoic acid. Question 32. Which salt is used as a raw material for making many chemicals? Answer 32. Sodium chloride, common salt, is used as a raw material. Question 33. What are the products of the chlor-alkali process? Answer 33. The products are sodium hydroxide, chlorine, and hydrogen. Question 34. Write the chemical formula for bleaching powder. Answer 34. The formula is CaOCl2. Question 35. Give the chemical name of baking soda. Answer 35. The chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. Question 36. Which substance makes baking powder when mixed with baking soda? Answer 36. A mild edible acid, such as tartaric acid, is mixed with baking soda to make baking powder. Question 37. Write the chemical formula for washing soda. Answer 37. The formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Question 38. Define water of crystallization. Answer 38. It is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Question 39. Write the chemical name of plaster of Paris. Answer 39. The chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4.12H2O. Question 40. What is formed when gypsum is heated at 373 K? Answer 40. Plaster of Paris is formed. For more videos, comment below what type of videos do you need. Thanks for watching.